What's up, guys? For today's video I got an older Pokemon booster box. This is bottle styles. There's a couple of chase cards out here. There's $100 one, 50, 32. This is what they worth, 24. The gold ball, 15, couple trainers. So that's what we are chasing, and all these shinies are gonna be good too. So we'll see what we'll get. Okay, let's open it and set it all up. Kinda got messed up in the shipping a little bit, but they're supposed to kinda open up this way. So this is like a booster display box like that. That's beautiful. Okay, let's see what we'll get. I'm gonna adjust the camera so I'm gonna be a little bit more comfortable. I'll go from one side. Oh, that's a beautiful box. The chase is this guy right here. Okay, there's a code card. Let's go. This is from 2001. So getting older, not super old, but you know, for sure, the older they get, the harder it will be find them bottle styles. Reverse holo. So only guaranteed a reverse holo. Full holographic ones actually not guaranteed, so it will be harder to pull them. And the code card look like this. Pretty cool. Reverse, nothing. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on going. I have no idea whether the puller is here. This is my first time opening one of these booster packs. I would get once in a while those packs from different tins and boxes, but let's see how it does here. Let's get a first pull. Just a holo. This is our first holo. How many packs we have open? Pulls are tough so far. Code card. Ooh, that one is cool. I think they have 1,000 Pokemons now. This reverse holo energy trainer, or like whatever energy, sometimes also good cards to have. Not all of them are popular, but you know how it is. Sometimes something go way up in popularity, and this is our first hit, and I think it's a really good one. Wow. So this is Urshifu VMAX. Nice. I'll take that hit. Probably why we didn't have a hit in a while, because it was like lining up for a really good hit. Okay, let's go. So code card in every pack to open online packs. Back to back. There you go. So let's see what we'll find. Will we be back to back 3 times? The box, pretty nice, easy to open, makes it really satisfying. Don't have to fight with it or anything, it's just very satisfying to rip them. Reverse holo. Take it. Okay, almost halfway through. Boom. Okay. Keep on going. Still the same code cards. Let's see, will we get more than 2 hits over here in the first half? Wow, it's pretty tough. Reverse and nothing. What are we at? $6 left till the half. We need at least 2 more hits because we're not pulling any hits on this booster box. Sometimes that's how it goes. It's not guaranteed. Reverse and nothing. Alright. Bone reverse and a hit finally. Tupacuco. I think I have that one. Cool. So we have 3 hits so far. 4 more packs. We need at least another hit because it's really low hit rates right now. But again, each set is totally different, and sometimes it's just lining up for a really big hit. Never know. Let's see. Just a holler. Another ball getting big. There's a beautiful art on this box for sure too. Some people collect just the packs as well. Unopened. Okay, 2 more packs. We need at least 1 more hit. So we get maybe 8 hits in the whole box. That wouldn't be terrible. Okay. Last pack. Let's see. Reverse and a hit. Ooh, nice. Tupacoco as well, but full art. Beautiful. So there's 2 difference. So I'm gonna stick that one in the sleeve now. I do it all of them later. So 4 hits, not terrible. I think we can do 10 hits total in the whole box. Let's find out. Can we do it? I really don't know that booster boxes, the pull rate. So there you go. That's how we're gonna figure it out right now. Reverse, hollow. We'll take a hollow because it's not a guaranteed. So it's like a mini hit, I would say. Is that mine? Let's go. All it takes is 1 or 2 cards over there to hit, and we golden. So far, we okay. Okay, organizing my desk a little bit. We still have a long way to go. Haven't hit in the second half anything. Let's see how it goes. Reverse. I like that energy recycle. Those are probably pretty good. Reverse holo. Nothing so far. We're gonna keep trying till we get it. Come on. Really slow. That second half even slower now. We need to hit up, not slow down. Ooh, nice. Little hit, another V card. So we had 5 hits so far. Keep on going. Ooh, nice, a shiny, finally. Okay, I don't mind pulling slow if you're hitting some good stuff like that. It's pretty decent card right here for sure. I'll take it. Oh, I don't know. Got shuffled in a little bit. Reverse. Nothing. Still quite a few packs to go. Let's see. Reverse holo. Again, nothing. But again, I cannot be too mad because we hit a shiny. Wow. Okay, still nothing. Well, now you can see what you might expect. But again, each box is very different. The result could be very different for you or me and stuff. Let's see what I get. Oh, what am I doing? I kind of like messed up over here, getting tired or something. So we got holo and reverse. That gold card a little different here. There you go, power styles. I know, I kind of zoned down for a little bit or something because we're not getting any hits, so I zoned out. Okay. Reverse, nice. What are we at? 5 packs left. Okay, let's hit back to back because we only had like what? 6 hits. That's it. Ooh, nice. Victinimi VMAX. Another full art. I'll take it. It's nice. Beautiful little card. Okay, back to back. Let's go. Reverse and back to back. V card right here. I'll take it. Alright, it's gonna get in better. So we have like 8 hits and 3 cards left. Okay, 8 hits, not too bad, I'd say. back to back 3 times. Let's see, not sure if we're going to have another hit. Reverse. Can't get this one today yet. Okay, gotta clean up a little bit. Alright, 2 more left. Code card. And okay, 8 hits, 1 more pot. Let's go with the big one. Reverse and nothing. So we got that here. 8 hits. That's my result.